So for this example, it says, which equation represents a line that is perpendicular to PQ? So now, in order to figure out what line is perpendicular to PQ, I got to figure out what the slope is of PQ and then take the reciprocal. So let's just jot those notes down real quick. Perpendicular lines their slopes are opposite reciprocals. So, for example, one example would be is if the first slope is 3 over 4, and because this is a positive 3 over 4, now it becomes a negative 4 over 3. So that's just one example. So the first thing that I've got to do is I've got to figure out what is the slope of PQ. So one way I could do that is I could just do my rise over run. So I'm going to go down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So because I went down, that's negative 12. So if I think about this, the slope is equal to the rise, that's up or down, over the run. And to get from P to Q, I had to go down 12. And then from there, I had to go over 1, 2, 3, 4. Now that's a positive 4, right? So remember, this is positive direction, negative direction for the x, and this is positive, and this is negative for y. So I've got negative 12 over positive 4, which reduces down to negative 3 over 1. So what I'm really looking for, my slope that's perpendicular, by the way, I'm going to say slope that's perpendicular. So those of you that had me for geometry know that the symbol, the upside down T, means perpendicular. Write all this stuff down. Perpendicular. Oops. Perpendicular. So now I'm going to flip this 1 over 3, and then it's the opposite because this started off as negative. This will be positive. So I'm looking for one of these that has a slope. And remember, we're talking about y equals 1/3 x plus b. You know, like it's m, right? So the m would go there, right? Because we're used to seeing y equals mx plus b. But what is the slope of the perpendicular line? Well, it's going to be 1/3, a positive 1/3, right? So, oops, where's my little marker here? So it's this one right here. Does anybody have any questions on that one?